Alright guys, welcome back. Got a long overdue video on the 51 here. Last video was the interior, so another addition to that, you can see this steering wheel is kind of cracked. So I'm going to attempt to basically recover this one with the same material that the seat is. I think it should give a nice accent on the steering wheel. So just gonna start by taking this old one off, and I'll map out the shape and then cut that out, and then we'll just get the gluing. So I'm realizing pretty quickly that this is my original plan of just flattening out and cutting it is not really going to work, because it's kind of like a weird oval. I thought it was going to be a circle, so I'm just I think I'm going to glue this one on there, just center it up, and then I'll have to wrap it and just cut the edges and everything. So I guess that's where we'll start. I gotta clean all the old glue off of this, and we'll glue it down, cut the edges, and try and tuck them. All right, so I got it all cleaned up. I used some mineral spirits and a red Scotch Brite pad. That was just the easiest way I could find to get that off. This is the glue I'm going to be using, the 3M high strength, just because it's heat resistant. We get a lot of heat here in Florida, so I think it's definitely necessary. It's going to get hot, so I'm just going to go with this. We'll start spraying. Got that spray laid down a little bit. I'm just going to probably start on the outside so I can pull it tight, trim a little bit, and then trim a little bit, start folding that over, and then I'll get to the inside. Alright, this is where we're at right now. Ran out of clamps. Then I discovered that the Sharpies are perfect size to pinch that. So it's not looking terrible right now. I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes and I will get going on the inside. Alright, so this is where we're at. Cut that middle out. Going to spray all that. I'll probably have to use the heat gun so that way I can stretch a little more. But we're gonna get started. So I did a few relief cuts. I got one there, and one right there. Because obviously I'm gonna be trying to fold it out, so it's not really gonna be able to stretch like that. I might have to do more. I'm gonna try with just a 3 for now. I just sprayed the glue, just let it get tacky a little bit, and then fold it over. Alright, this one's all covered. Really happy with the result, actually. There's a couple spots, like right there, there's a little wrinkle. Couple spots. Right there, there's another one. But there's only so much you can do trying to stretch it in that position, so time to put it on. Alright. Out with the old and with the new. I'm curious what you guys think. Let me know if you like the black original one better or this one that matches the seat. Headliner's up next, so have a little bit of brown up there as well. I'm just waiting for the thread to come in and then we'll be jumping on that. But let me know what you guys think.